These chairs in the auditorium were original to the building from back in the 70s, and they're struggling a little bit. It's time to refresh the space. Torque Construction's on site today. They're starting to take out the seats. We're not only going to be doing the chairs, the acoustical treatment in the back, and we're giving the place a paint job, so it should look a lot cleaner, nicer, newer when students return in the fall, and we're excited about that. And we'll get some footage for you over the next few weeks so you can see how it progresses.